Good morning, everyone. My name is Duncan Plamenco, and for my final requirement in Networking and Communication 1 and 2, I will demonstrate the creation of a local area network using Cisco Packet Tracer with proper subnetting. This video aims to show how subnetting is applied and how devices are configured and tested in a simulated network environment. Let's start. So first of all, we're gonna be putting some PCs. Here we go. PC1, PC2, PC3, and PC4. Next up, we're gonna need some switches. We're gonna put two switches for the PCs, so two per PC. And then we're gonna need a router to connect the switches to. So we're gonna be connecting all of them using copper straight through. So for PC1 to switch 0, we're gonna be using fast Ethernet, and the same with the switch, fast Ethernet 01. Please do forgive me for the background noise since I really can't control them because there's a celebration downstairs. It's really tough for me to handle them, but as you can see, we're just doing the same for all the PCs and both the switches. And the next one, we're gonna be connecting the switches to the router. So just like the PCs, we're gonna be using copper straight through, and since there's a difference between from PC to switch, for switch to router, we're gonna be using gigabit Ethernet 01. As you can see while we're waiting, you can see all the PCs connecting successfully to the switches. And then we're gonna use Giga Ethernet 0/0. The same with the second switch, Giga Ethernet 0/1. So we're gonna have to configure our PCs. Because as you can see, our routers are not connected. Our switches are not connected to the router. You can see all of this is still red. So we're gonna be configuring our router. So as you can see, there's a question here. We're gonna be putting no, and then return to start. So we're gonna put we're gonna be putting enable, and then IP address. As you can see, I spelled it wrong and I missed a command. This is a pre-recorded video of me doing this, and this is just a voiceover. As you can see, I made a mistake since it said invalid input detected at the arrow up marker. So I'm gonna do it again. So configure T. I'm gonna put int G0/0. Then we're gonna put our IP address 192.168.1.1, and then 255.255.255.0 for a subnet mask. No shutdown, then press enter, and then as you can see, it's already connected. So we're gonna configure the next one. So see, it's getting orange and green color on where my mouse is pointed right now. So for the next one, we're gonna be typing exit, and then we're gonna do it all over again. int g 0/1, since it's the second one and we already used the 0/0. IP address 192.168.2.1 because it's our second switch, and of course our subnet mask stays the same. We're gonna be putting 255.255.255.0. As you can see here in the video, I kind of did it again because I made some mistakes and I was called upon. So 255.0 dot, then no shutdown. There we go. So as you can see, it's connected already. We're gonna be skipping ahead to see both of it connecting successfully. Alright, so it's all done. So now we're gonna be configuring our PCs, and as you can see in the video, all the routers and switches and PCs are connected to each other. And now we're gonna make sure our PCs are connected to our routers. So PC1 configuration, and we're gonna put IP address 192.168.1.10. As you can see, our subnet mask appears automatically. We're gonna do the same but without the 0. 192.168.1.1. As you can see, I made a mistake, so I'm gonna remove the 0. And then up next, PC2. Please do forgive me. I was in a rush in doing this, so I didn't really mind the PC0, PC1, PC2, PC3. So it looks like when I'm explaining it, I only have 3 PCs. So please forgive me for that. As you can see, I put 1.11 over here. And for here, for the second default gateway, I put 1.2. Because it is our second PC. So for the next one, we're gonna be changing it up a bit. So 192.168.1, sorry, I meant 2.10. Excuse me, but I'm a bit sick today. I have the common cold. So for our default gateway, we're gonna go putting 192.168.2.1. So same process with the switch earlier. So IP config on the desktop 192.168.2.11. The subnet mask appears automatically. Default gateway 192.168.2.2. So we confirmed that already. We're gonna be checking if our PCs are connected to the router. As you can see, I was called upon to stop the recording, but right now we're continued since it's really noisy outside. So please do forgive me for that one. So right now we're gonna be continuing. So we're gonna be checking if our PCs are connected to the router. So we're gonna press this to the PC, then to the router. As you can see, it says successful, and we're gonna do it to all of the PCs. Successful, and then again successful, and for the last one, successful. It just has different colors as you can see. So that's it. That basically confirms the PCs are connected to routers. Thank you. So, so in summary, as you can see, I demonstrated how to create a LAN using Cisco Packet Tracer with proper subnetting. I explained how the IP addresses were calculated, assigned, and tested. Proper subnetting is important because it improves network organization, security, and efficient use of IP address. Again, my name is Duncan Plamenco, and this is my final project for Networking and Communication 1 and 2. Thank you.